what will it be? So this is 3 times, this is 2 times. The second quantity should be, so I can multiply by weight. Weight is 3 by 5 weight. The total quantity is Q1, no, even Q2 is equal to because Q1 over Q2 is equal to the ratio. So this means that Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q1 divided by ratio, and the ratio is 3 over 2. So meaning that Q2 is equal to Q1, which is 600 divided by ratio 3 over 2, and this is 2 over 3 times 600, and this is equal to 2 times 600 divided by 3, and this simplifying you have 400. So this is one way of doing it. Another way of doing it, if we know that the mixture is the sum of this, is suppose that we know the mixture is the sum of this is 1000. So I should have Q1 is equal to the first weight multiplied by Q. The second quantity is the second weight times Q. And what is it in this case? Okay, in this case, you're gonna have how to find weight. So I can find weight. First weight is equal to first ratio, or ratio actually, over 1 plus ratio, or ratio over 1 plus the ratio. So this is equal to 3 over 2 over 1 plus 3 over 2, and this is 3 over 2 times 2 over 2 plus 3. This is, after simplification, 3 over 5. Or if I have this ratio, the weight, the first weight should be 3 over 3 plus 2. Second weight should be 2 over 3 plus 2. Okay, now out of times 1000, what will I have? Of course, omega 2 here I substitute 1. Okay, now let us check how will I find the first weight. First weight, I mean first quantity. For the 20% acid solution, I'm gonna have omega 1 times 2. So this is 3 over 5 times 2 is 1000. So 1000 divided by 5, it is 200. 3 times 200, it is equal to 600. Now, which comes back to what I have suggested as the quantity of the first component. So in a kilogram actually. Now let us calculate the second weight, the second quantity. So the second quantity is Q sub 2. So Q sub 2 is the quantity of 40% acid solution. So now it's going to be 2 over 5 times Q. Q is 1000, and it is 2 times 200, which is 400. Okay.